We'll take a look at how you can save, share, comment, download, your design saves automatically every time you make a change. You can also manually save your design. Share designs with your friends or teammates. Enter their email or send them a link. Give permission to view or edit your design. Invite them to comment or collaborate on your design. Select an object to add a comment. If you tag a team member, they'll receive a notification. When they reply, you'll be notified too. Once your design is complete, download it as a still image by selecting PNG or JPEG, or as an animated image by selecting MP4 video or GIF. You can also connect your account and post straight to your social platforms. Need it printed? Just select your print options from the menu. We professionally print t-shirts, business cards, posters, and much more. Your design will be printed and delivered to your door for free. With Canva, it's easy to express your ideas and achieve your goals. So, start designing today. Go around the homepage and learn how to search document types so you can start design. With Canva, you can design anything. There are thousands of professional designs to get you started, or anything you need. You can explore design templates in a few ways. Start by typing keywords in the search bar. Browse by document type, or scroll down the page and be inspired by our professionally designed templates. If you'd like to create something from scratch, click the plus symbol to enter custom dimensions. The Designs tab keeps all the designs you create for easy finding. In the Menu tab, you can find designs shared with you by others in your team, and access folders filled with designs, content, and ideas, keeping your projects organized. Tap Home to return to Canva's homepage, where it's easy for you to start and design anything.